In this video, I will tell you how to fix the suspicious error for the NovaBot extension. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. What you're gonna do is to go ahead and first of all install the extension name as Taper Monkey. So you have to install this extension. So it is an extension which is able to write scripts over the different sort of extensions that is present on the Google Chrome. So once you have installed this extension, go to the extension and make sure you toggle this developer mode option on. So I have written down an whole bunch of script that you guys can copy. So for example here, just copy the script and I will provide the script in the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what its script will do, it will clear all local and session storage, remove corrupted cookies from your browser, reset NovaBot permissions for the Bullets new, reload the NovaBot extension. So what it will do, it will fix the suspicious error. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and open up the Tipper Monkey extension just in a second. Here you guys can see that I have opened it up and go ahead, go to the Bullets. In the bullets, go ahead and click on the Tabermonkey extension, and here you will see an option, create a new script. Just go ahead and click on it, and here all you have to do is to just copy it and paste the script that we have just made, and just remove this option. So by doing this, you will be able to fix this issue. So this is how you guys can do it. And after doing that, once you click on this and click on enable button, there won't be any sort of suspicious error detected on the bullets. So here you guys can see that my bullets is working fine, and now the extension has reloaded itself, clearing all the caches and other stuff. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.